You see this board, yeah, sharp and clean. It looks just like a photo, if you know what I mean. But let me show you where we all began. A blurry low quality file from a customer's hand. They said, is it possible? I said, yeah, I can. Just follow the video. Here's the plan. Got a pixel mess, a real bad pic. Gotta fix it up and fix it quick. Don't you worry, don't you stress. We're gonna clean up this whole mess. Take it to your favorite AI tool. Type the prompt and make it cool. Upscale this image, make it right. Make the cat detailed and stand out wide. White background, hit the little arrow, and just like magic, from hero to zero, wait, reverse that. The AI works, the AI cooks, gives us back a brand new look. Oh, from a blurry mess to a work of art, just follow the steps, play your part. We take a bad photo, make it look brand new on a piece of wood, coming through. Digital magic, then the lasers light, making memories all sharp and bright. To the editor, anyone will do. I use my Mac on my iPhone, it's true. First big step, don't you wait. Find the filters, make it mono, black and white, it's great. It's easier to see, it's easier to edit. You'll see the details and you won't regret it. Now for the magic, watch me go. Crank the shadows up, let the details show. 100%, now the sharpness next. Crank it high. 100% to catch the eye, just the contrast till it's looking right. Tweak the brightness to add some light, a little definition, that's the key. The rest you leave alone, just trust me. Oh, from a blurry mess to a work of art, just follow the steps, play your part. We take a bad photo, make it look brand new on a piece of wood, coming through. Digital magic, then the lasers light, making memories all sharp and bright. Let's go, open xTool space, drag that new file right into place. Now crop it nice, get the framing tight. We only want the image, make it right. Select cutting board, that's the wood we use. Now for the settings, you just can't lose. For the S140 watt, here's the cheat. Set the power low, just 18. Set the speed to 60, keep it clean. Lines per cm, yeah, that's 62. For super fine detail, pushing through. Place the board inside, close the lid down flat. It process, then start, the machine knows where it's at. The laser's working, smell the wood burn. This is the part we all had to learn. Done. Wipe the dust away, see what we've become. A printed photo right there on the grain. No bad quality, no pixel pain, just a perfect piece, detailed and clear. That's how you do it, year after year.